The VIPER 5808V is our 1-mile, 2-way remote start and security solution. Stay tuned to learn more about it. Let's go over what are the contents of our 5808V. First, we have our control module, a 7858V LED 2-way, and a 7657V 1-way 5-button remote, both with up to 1 mile of range. An impact sensor, a 6-tone siren, an antenna with an integrated valet button and LED, wiring harnesses, a quick reference install guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card with QR code to access the full owner's guide online. Now let's take a look at the features of our 5808V. Remote keyless entry and remote start with 2-way confirmation. It has 2-way paging for alarm activation, starter interrupt for vehicle theft prevention, panic or a car locator function, flashing parking lights when sending commands, ignition control door locks, 4 auxiliary outputs. For smartphone control, you can add on our VIPER Smart Start Pro and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. For more information on this system or any other VIPER remote start and security solutions, go to viper.com or visit an authorized dealer near you.